Hello. Yes.
Yeah, hi, welcome to Varta.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am very good. I'm very good. So you
Yes.
tell me what was happening? What were you doing?
Nothing. Just yeah. Means right now I am talking to you.
Very good.
Yes. Yes.
That is amazing. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, today you tell me one thing. I want to know when was the last time you had a fight with somebody?
Okay. I think it's just, I didn't like fight that much, ma'am. So it's in school, I guess.
Okay, since school.
Yeah. Yeah.
So tell me your last fight.
Okay. No, it's simple. Like I am not there like fighting kind of person, ma'am. I am yeah. Seriously.
Okay, you're not that,
Yes,
the
ma'am. Yes,
person who
ma'am.
fight. So the last fight which you had in your school,
Yeah.
what was it all about?
It was just like I think that he stole my watch. That's why.
So what was the result? He stole your watch or not?
No.
Okay, so it was just a
Yes, ma'am. I found my watch in the bag.
okay. And
Yes.
you said sorry to him?
Yeah. Of course.
Okay, you said sorry. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I want to
Now,
talk about the assignment. So can I?
yeah, sure. First, tell me the assignment.
Yeah. So the statement is a mother's love is unconditional.
Okay.
So I want to tell my own experience. Like I'm studying in Pune, ma'am. So whenever my father calls me, he asks me like, Arjun, how was your studying going on? And my whenever my brother call me, he asks me, is everything well? Like, are you enjoying with your friends? And whenever my mother calls me, whether it is in morning or afternoon or evening, every time, ma'am, she asks me like, Arjun, have you eaten your lunch? Have you eaten your dinner? So that's the love, like that's the unconditional love of your mother for you. Like, yeah, you got my point now, ma'am.
100%, 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I want to elaborate a bit.
Okay, so yeah, ma'am. I believe like that's the unconditional love of your mother for you. She always cares for you, and for him it doesn't matter like are you studying or not. Means for mother you are always a hero. Yeah.
Correct.
Yes, and whenever you fall sick, you first thing comes in your mind is your mother, ma'am.
Exactly. Whenever you get hurt, also the first thing that, comes from your mouth is, I mummy, oi mummy lag gayi,
Yes,
The first
absolutely.
thing that comes in your mind, your heart, the first thing that comes on your tongue.
That's why, ma'am. It's spoken like mother's love is unconditional, ma'am. No
Very good.
one,
Good
I
answer.
yeah, no one can love like mother, ma'am. And I have one more topic I want to discuss today. Like
Yeah.
yeah, so should engineers or Indians after completing their education they should go foreign or not? Like like there are very tech giant companies. Google CEO is Sundar Pichai, who is Indian. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella is also Indian. And I think you heard the statement tell by owner of Microsoft, Bill Gates. He tells like if we don't hire Indians, then they will create their own Microsoft in India. So what are your views, should they leave India or should they be in India and develop India, like our honored prime minister also supporting made in India? So what are your views, my ma'am?
See, I believe that they should be in India because what they are doing, they just go outside. They're like, we are going to gain experience, and then they
That they
just
will
never
never
come
come
back.
back.
They never come
Yeah,
back. And
because
even I've seen people from my family also, they go and after 6 months, within the span of 6 months, they come back and then they're like, oh my god, traffic, oh my god, this. I'm like, you just went 6 months back, okay? And
yes.
you were like born and brought up here. So just
Yes.
don't crib about everything.
Yes,
So
ma'am,
they're like,
absolutely. Like
yeah,
because the if like if I want to go if I go abroad, then I will only go for higher studies. I will never settle there, ma'am. It's my dream that I want to become an entrepreneur. So I want to like create my own company in India only, and I want that India should grow very much, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me, like, you
Yes,
want to grow, you want to be there,
yes.
and I want to know what is the reason behind it. I want to know why do you want to come back? What do you want to do for the country? What is the reason?
Okay, like I am living in Jammu, ma'am. So I know the struggles of students. Like I have to travel 13 kilometer for my school. And yeah, I am in my when I was in 12th, so I was preparing for IIT JEE examination. So ma'am, means I in the evening 7 I we get off, then I have to run to get up like bus, and I have to change two buses. Sometimes it happens like I miss the bus. So I know, ma'am, what struggle I faced.
Okay, so you struggle and you are like, okay, I have to be there.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
And what do you want to do for the country? Like, you want to come back, so you want to contribute to the success
Okay,
of the
ma'am.
country.
Firstly, I want to contribute to the educational system, ma'am. I think our education system is not on the basis of knowledge based. They are only like who crams better will win.
Correct.
Yes, so I want to change the education system. It should be like like a new education system is introduced in India, and I think that's the best decision.
Exactly. So, what do you like about that education system?
Like,
One
ma'am,
point.
yeah, I will tell you. As I am pursuing my computer science engineering, ma'am, when I was landed up in my first year, na, so I didn't know about coding. Really, like it takes me almost 6 months to like analyze and learn how it actually works. So now students can learn the coding in sixth standard. So instead of only playing games, then they now will create their own games. So that's kind of generation we needed. We don't need the generation who only play games. We need the generation who will make games, apps. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you and if I talk about games,
Okay.
when I say the word games, what
Yeah.
comes in your mind?
PUBG.
Nothing.
PUBG, ma'am. PUBG.
PUBG. My
Yeah.
God. Okay.
I didn't play, like my cousin brother plays a lot.
Okay. So you don't play PUBG.
No, I don't play, ma'am. It's
So
really
you
a
don't
yeah.
like the game,
No,
or
I
you don't
liked
know
it.
how.
I liked it, but ma'am, I want to do something for country because, but it if you play PUBG, ma'am, it wastes your lot of time. Like I want to tell you one thing. Like yesterday, I am attending. Like there is a developer group of Google. Okay,
Hmm.
so they select 10 project from all over the world. So, ma'am, yeah, means you will like delighted, means you will honored, like, ma'am. There are so many students who are Indians. Like there are team from Pakistan, India, and they are making apps which like, and Google is promoting them. So Indians are also growing very much, ma'am. Like there are students from US, there are students from, I mean, there are students from India who is studying in US. They also
Okay.
makes apps, yeah. So
Wow.
Indians have a great mind, ma'am.
Exactly. I also believe that people should come back. They go over there. They are like, no, we are not coming back. We don't want to come back.
Yeah,
India is shit. What place are we living in? But they forget that they are talking about their own country, the roots
ma'am.
from
I want to
there.
tell you one thing. Like
Yeah.
if we leave the yeah, if we leave our country, then who will make better? Instead of saying like India is not good, you make it good, na. It's your
Correct.
responsibility. You make it good. Well, just complaining is like, ma'am, I don't think like if you are complaining, it's of no use, na. If you want like India change, who will change it? You will change it. Try to do something.
Exactly. That's what you try to do. People are just sitting in their AC room and cribbing about things. Oh
Yeah.
my God, oh my God, garbage. Oh my God, traffic. And they are the one who are breaking the traffic rules, not stopping on the red light.
Yes, ma'am. And instead of saying like they say a lot like a lot of apps only made by Chinese. So yeah, work hard and make your own apps.
Exactly. They
Yeah.
want to go out and they want to contribute in their success and say that wow, it is so developed. And
Yes.
India is blessed with brain.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is true, ma'am.
But yeah, they don't want to make use of it. Like my dad says, अंग्रेजों ने बोल दिया ये दवाई अच्छी है तो वही खानी है. They
Yeah.
don't have value of their own medicine.
Yeah. 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 Got it.
So that is the thing. Okay. So, and if you had an option to go out and gain experience, where do you want to go?
In US, ma'am.
US.
Actually,
Okay. Why?
my ideal is Mark Zuckerberg, who is the co-founder of Facebook. I want to meet him once.
Very good. You want to meet him once.
Yes. I didn't want to work with him. Like in my first year, it's my dream. Like I want to work. I want to go and work in Facebook. But ma'am, with time, my dream changes. Like I want to do something for India, my own country, and I want to like create my own company. Hope everything goes well.
Correct. And if just imagine that you are there, okay?
Okay.
You are there, and he's in front of you.
Okay.
What is that one thing that you will ask?
Like ma'am, he's the youngest billionaire. So I want to ask him like how it feels when when you will become a billionaire.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will ask him that, how are you feeling?
Yeah.
Great, cute. Okay.
Thank you.
So that, and now I want to know how many hours do you spend in your studies?
Okay, yeah, I'm like I said, I want to become an entrepreneur, so I should be technical strong in order to lead the team. So, ma'am, I'm a computer science engineer and I love to make apps, and I am also a competitive programmer and I love doing programming. So yeah, means it's I spend a lot of time while studying. Like it's not a work for me. I love to study. As I said, I don't like to fight. I love to study, ma'am.
You love to study. Very good.
Yeah,
Okay.
like
So
it's
this is
not a
the thing.
work for me. It's like I'm enjoying while studying. That's why I always said like do whatever you love. Like it's my dream to become an engineer, and right now I'm pursuing it. So I should give it my best now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Obviously, because if you want to, you will get it. And you
Yes.
want to give your best because that is, your choice. You want to do it.
Yes, absolutely. That's why I said, ma'am, I will give my best, and I definitely, ma'am, one day I will contribute. I will do something for my country. Nice talking to you, ma'am. Okay, there is only
Same here.
five
All
seconds
the
left.
best. Yeah.
Yeah.
All the best. I hope that we talk again
Yes.
and
Thank
we
you,
will share our
ma'am.
drift. Okay. All the best.
Yes.